How to fix TikTok link not allowed issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix TikTok link not allowed issue. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check if your TikTok app is up to date or not. To check, you can navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for a TikTok application. And from the result, once you get TikTok, you can easily find out update button if there is any updates. If there is update button, select update and update it to the latest version. If you see open, that means your app is up to date. Now tap on open button to access TikTok and make sure to sign in. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner, select three-line icon at top right corner. Select setting and privacy and scroll to the bottom of your screen. Tap on report or problem. Now scroll down to the bottom and select chat with us. And here you can easily type in your issue by tapping on send a message. And make sure you do not include your personal information and you can easily submit and wait for TikTok to respond. So TikTok will review your request and after a few days you should be able to add links again. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.